Welcome to Reading Eggs. We're so glad your school has joined our community. In this video, we're going to show you how to get your school set up and running on Reading Eggs. First, you will need a list of your teachers and their email addresses. Log into Reading Eggs, go to Management, then Manage Teachers. Download a sample CSV file and populate your teacher list into the spreadsheet and save it to your computer. Then click Upload a CSV and add the file you just created. The username and password for each teacher will be automatically generated and emailed to them. To add an individual teacher, just add that information here, then click Go. Now let's show you how to edit or remove a teacher. Find the teacher whose information you'd like to change. Click Edit to the right of their name and make edits. Then hit Save Changes. To send a password reset email to a teacher, select their name with the checkbox, then click Email Password Reset. Or to delete a teacher, do the same but click Delete. To make the setup easier for your teachers, you can also upload their students for them. You will need a list of students, their grade level and their teacher email. Go to Management, then click on Manage Students. Download the sample CSV, populate your student information, then save to your computer. Click Upload CSV and find the document. Editing students is done the same way you edit teachers. Okay, you have your teachers and your students in the system. Let's create their classes. Go to Manage Classes under Management. Let's say Mrs. Fisher has a morning and an afternoon reading class. Here we'll type in the class name and select Mrs. Fisher from the drop-down. Add students to the class by going back to Manage Students. Then click Add Existing Students. You can view by unallocated students or by year to filter down the list. Use the checkboxes or select All, then click Add to Class. Select the class you'd like to assign these students to. To remove the student, select their name and click Remove from Class. Remember, each year classes will change, so this is why we don't assign students to teachers and vice versa. Classes make it easier to manage each year. Speaking of year over year, when it comes time to renew your subscription, or you'd like to increase your student capacity, go to Management and click on Manage Subscription. Then, when it's a new school year and it's time to roll over your student details, that's done here under Manage Rollover. Okay, now that your teachers and students are set up, let's take a quick look at some of the reporting you have access to. As the subscription coordinator, you'll be able to see usage data and progress for your entire school. We'll show you some of the key areas to look at. Going into Reading Eggs reports, the summary gives you an overview of total time spent in the program, lessons completed, average hours per student, and Lexile growth. All of this information is broken down by teacher as well, so you can see who is using the program and who may need a little extra training. The dashboard provides an overview of progress. Scroll down to see reading lesson course progress and Lexile growth by year, end of map quiz scores, spelling lesson progress, books read, stories written, and certificates earned. At the top, you can filter for specific teachers or adjust the date range. This same information can be found in the Reading Express summary and dashboard reports. For Fast Phonics, you'll want to look at the Time on Task report to get usage data, or have a look at the Progress report to see a progress summary for the whole school or by teacher. And that's it. Everything you need to get started in Reading Eggs. Remember, your client manager is always available if you get stuck or need help along the way.